Okay, we're hiking in the mountains. My buddy Chris, Moss Chris, and he's gonna teach us about poison ivy really quick.
So it's important to watch the trail. It's important to take in nature. It's important to see all of the beauty that's around you and allowing our minds to diffuse and defrag from all the chaos. But be alert to a few things. One of those being poison ivy. You can see it has a distinctive shiny leaf. It has a distinctive 3-leaf bunch.
Right here.
It will kick your ass, and the biggest concern you can have is that it gets on your clothing and you don't take heed and don't wash those things. It's okay if you're walking through it. Don't touch it with your hands. Don't try to clean this thing and then wipe your face. Simply just allow it to happen if you find yourself in the middle of a patch, and then powerful strokes, strong soaps, laundry detergents will destroy it. It's a very persistent oil called urushiol that gets into our skin and fucks us up. Can I say bad words?
Of course you can say bad words.
Poison ivy is a bad word.
If you get it on your hands, definitely don't go to the bathroom.
Yeah.
Because you'll have
Soap.
jock itch hardcore.
Strong soap.
There you go. Poison ivy. Also, watch out for poison oak. We'll do another video on that one. Cheers, you guys. Hike on.